Are you keeping up with the craziness of this 2025 bullish market for the entire cryptocurrency space? We're about to see a lot of coins push above their all-time highs. That's why my main focus in today's video is the latest project that's just hitting the market. If you do enjoy the content, smash the like and subscribe. This video is not meant for financial advice and it's only intended for entertainment purposes. Crypto Refugees Rescue, one of the latest projects to hit the market. Crypto didn't save us, we saved ourselves. You bring the trash, we light the fire. Walk out with less pain and a little CRR. Here, CRR Crypto Refugees Rescue is a burn to earn project. They're currently in their flashback drop, which will actually begin in just a few hours. We can come over and see less than 12 hours time their burn to earn ends. You can basically burn any token to get CRR. Here we can see their prize pool of the Binance Smart Chain phase flashback drop. Current participants, transactions, BSC phase flashback drop participants, so we can track everything here. And even there's a step-by-step tutorial. The participation method, so you can actually transfer BSC mainnet token to the specified address. Note, BNB cannot recognize it. After this round, remember to claim your CRR tokens. This is the early burn round, and the next official round will happen next week. Looking over more about the project, we can see connect a wallet with tokens. If you've got coins nobody wants, you can actually use that to gain CRR. Sacrifice tokens, summon CRR. Do stuff, say stuff, earn CRR. You can join their Telegram and actually follow along their X account, which we'll jump over and look at later on. You can see all their community, built by the rugged, run by many, even by the DAO someday. Some frequently asked questions about the project as well. Here we can jump over to the X, over 170 posts, 11,000 followers. Great way to stay up to date with any of the latest announcements. Like here, their prize pool in CRR, and all their announcements. Even here, more than 6,700 wallets participating. Here, flashback ends in 2 days' time. You can actually jump over to their Telegram as well, more than 10,000 members. Great way to chat with the team in the community if you did have any questions about the project. There we have it for Crypto Refugees Rescue. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.